Hey everyone, it is Sillyman here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a rainbow carpet game pass to your Roblox game. So the first thing you want to do is get this model here. I will put the link in the description. And then we're going to go ahead and create the game pass. So go over to your game and then click on passes. And as you can see, I've already created the game pass for a previous tutorial. But if you haven't, just click on create a pass and then give it a name. So rainbow carpet. And then just click on create pass. And then after that, we want to put it on sale. So click on the game pass, go to sales, check this, and then put it up for sale. I'm going to just put it up for 1 Robux and then click on save. Then load up your game in Studio and then go over to the toolbox. And if you don't see the toolbox, go to view and then click on toolbox and it will show up here. Then go to this section here of the toolbox and then go to my models and then find the model that we got, so the rainbow carpet, and then click on it to insert it into the game. Okay, that will insert it here. So then open up the model and we need to move rainbow carpet script into server script service and then rainbow carpet GUI into starter GUI. And then you can just delete the rest. And then open up the script here or expand it here. And then you're going to see this value called pass ID. So we need to get the game pass ID here. So to do that, go over to the passes section of your game and then find your game pass. Click on the 3 dots and click copy asset ID. And then paste it here. And then do the same for the value inside of Rainbow Carpet GUI. Click on the pass ID and then paste the asset ID of the game pass. Okay, so now if we go ahead and hit play. So I received the rainbow carpet in my hotbar. If I click it, and then click again, you can see that it works. It gives me the rainbow carpet and I can fly around. And if I click on the button, it prompts me to buy it, but in this case I already own it. But if you didn't own it, it would ask you to purchase the game pass. And in case you get any warnings in the output, what you want to do is go to game settings, security, and then make sure allow third-party sales is enabled. But that is going to be it for today. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and I will see you all in the next video.